Every day is a special day, but the day of festival is something special for all of us. Diwali is the symbol of brightness over evil darkness. As we know, all the tiny light, in the same way, an optimistic thought erases the sense of negativity out of our mind. Diwali scatters the fragrance of happiness. It brings an unknown joy and $1 million smile onto our glowing faces. Simultaneously, we are also going to celebrate the Children's Day. Actually, the Children's Day is celebrated to remember our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. He is the first Prime Minister of our nation. According to him, children, they are the pure soul and the replica of the great Almighty. They are the strength of our future. And it's really rare to find the two celebrations on the same day. But whenever it happens, it brings a wave of cheerness in our lives. So let us enjoy the day with a great enthusiasm. Let us wipe all the queries and move ahead with a gentle smile. Let us experience a divine knowledge which help us to evacuate the night of arrogance and the dawn of ignorance. Diwali is the festival of lights, but this great saga began in Treta Yuga when Lord Rama, Lakshmana, and Devi Sita, they actually arrived Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and defeating Ravana. People of Ayodhya lit the lamps to shower their happiness and affection. Diwali is also celebrated to cherish the victory of Lord Krishna and Devi Satyabhama over Narakasura. Diwali indicates the concept of sheer perseverance and dedication. In our country, we have different states and unique ways of celebrating festivals. Actually, the festivity of Diwali begins with the Dhanteras. People buy silver and golds on this particular day. We also worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Vinayaka to get prosperity and peace in our family. The important day is Govardhan Puja, where people also offer their worship to Lord Krishna. And another important and the most important festival is Bhai Dooj, where sister pray Almighty for the well-being and the prosperity of their beloved brother. So, in this great virtual celebration of Diwali, I would like to take the privilege to welcome our most kind-hearted, diligent, and coordinal chairperson, Dr. E. Prasad Rao garu. I welcome our respected HR Director, ma'am. She is so tender in her nature. She is none other than Prasanna Prasad garu. I welcome the Director of CBSE Non-IIT, IIT and Medical League, Rashmita Prasad garu. I also welcome our adorable Director of PHS1, Shri Anukar Rao garu. I welcome Asu Adwaji. I welcome Nikhila ma'am, the coordinator. I welcome Balaji sir. I welcome each and every one of our Paramita family of this great celebration. Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
What are you doing now?
Nothing much. What to be done in this situation?
I never imagined about not going to school for such a long time.
Exactly. Every day I join the classes, but it has never seemed like school days.
I too felt that, but Mama says we have to continue like this for more days.
Oh,
Oh, I have an idea.
Tell us please.
Why not we celebrate Diwali with our friends in school? Oh, we can't go to school.
I guess he means as we have done in our all-in assemblies, we'll celebrate Diwali.
It will be really interesting.
And And we have a special day coming as well.
I guess I know.
Children's Day.
Children's Day. So we can prepare for both.
I'm ready too.
Ready.
Are you?
How's the essence of the first day? Like the morning dew defines the core of the day. Let us
Resonating the mantra with touching the feet of God. Indeed, helps in making the day fruitful one.
let us all concentrate on the celebration of the day by chanting the prayer.
So join your hands and close your eyes. Repeat after Anvita sister.
Ganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishthamamadi Vadivandita Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishthamamadevaदिवन्दितं महागणपतिं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिम्.
A pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request Charantage of 4th year to lead us with a pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be a prosperity, a long life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Makes our country so fascinating in the eyes of the world. Obviously, our unity in diversity, our reverence to our tradition, our respect in following our culture. Absolutely, it is so. Don't you think today is an auspicious day to observe the same? You are right. You must ignite the blissful light of today's celebration with a glimpse of our traditional movement. With the same essence, here we would see sisters, Kathak or Kuchipudi dance moves dedicating our special guests to welcome them.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, what a mind-blowing performance. Give her a huge round of applause. I have not understood the reason why do we celebrate Diwali. So to make me to understand the reason of celebrating Diwali and to entertain all of you people, here are our teachers to present a puppet show as a gift to all the students on the occasion of Diwali and Children's Day. So let's welcome them.
The epic traditionally ascribed to the Maharshi Valmiki narrates the life of Rama, prince of the legendary kingdom of Kosala. The story follows his 14-year exile to the forest urged by his father King Dasharatha on the request of Rama's stepmother Kaikeyi. His travels across forest in Bharat with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana. The kidnapping of Sita by Ravana, the king of Lanka, that resulted in war, and Rama's eventual returns to Ayodhya to be crowned king amidst jubilism and celebrations. Rama with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana enters the forest for Vanavasa. Lakshmana builds Kutira for his brother Rama and sister-in-law Sita. One day, Sita saw a golden deer and pleased Rama to get it for her. Rama gave the instructions to Lakshmana that to secure Sita until he returns back. Rama went to hunt the golden deer and at last found the deer. The deer turned into Maricha and shouted as, "Hey Sita! Hey Lakshmana! Hey Sita! Hey Lakshmana!" Lakshmana and Sita were scared on listening that sound. And Sita ordered Lakshmana to go and search about Rama. Lakshmana gave the instructions to Sita not to go out of the home and went in search of Rama. Meanwhile, Ravana entered the Kutira and asked for Bhiksha. When Sita comes out of the home, Ravana kidnaps her. While taking her to Lanka, Jatayu, a bird, will see Sita and fights with Ravana. Ravana will hurt the Jatayu and Jatayu will fall down on the earth. When Rama and Lakshmana returns to Kutira, they did not find Sita anywhere. Then they went in search of Sita and they found Hanuma and asked about Sita. But they failed to get the information from Hanuma. Later, Jatayu tells the information related to Sita that Ravana took Sita to Lanka. Hanuma will go in search of Sita to Lanka. Hanuma found Sita in Ashokavana and came back to Rama and gave the information related to Sita. Later, all the soldiers of Vanara will build a bridge called Ramasetu to Lanka. A big battle happens in between Rama and Ravana. At last, Ravana gets killed by Rama. After finishing 14 years of Vanavasa, Rama with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana reaches to Ayodhya. On the arrival of Lord Rama, everyone celebrated the occasion with great crackers and with great colors. Happy Diwali!
Great quotation is true to every aspect. Children are the future of the nation. Children are our country's pillar. Children are we. Today is our day. 14th November is the birthday of our nation's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He always loved the children around him. Therefore, his birthday is celebrated as National Children's Day. So, we on the fond memory of our Chacha Nehru, let's celebrate the day with the speech of brother and sister.
Thank you, Mahantesh brother, for welcoming us. Good afternoon.
To the respected chairman, sir, director, ma'am, principal, ma'am, vice principal, sir, teachers, and all my dearest friends, a warm welcome to Bonendo.
Abhilash, do you know what is specialty of this day?
No, Sanjana, I don't know.
Let me tell you. Today is 14th November. This day is celebrated as Children's Day. It is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Sanjana, do you know in whose remembrance does we celebrate Children's Day?
In the remembrance of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Sanjana, I have few questions. Can I get answers from you?
Why not?
So my first question is, why we celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru birthday as Children's Day?
Because he loved children and show affection towards the children.
Okay, does all over India celebrate Children's Day?
Yes, all over India celebrate Children's Day in the remembrance of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So I think I clarified all your questions.
No. Why do you have a red rose flower in your hands today?
Because Jawaharlal Nehru loves rose flower and he also keeps a red rose flower in his waistcoat pocket. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhilash and Sanjana, for sharing your knowledge about Children's Day with us. So, have you ever wondered why we dance? Well, the answer to that is, we dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fear, we dance for hope, we dance for screams. We are dancers, we make our own dreams. Dancing is not just shaking your hands and legs and following your choreographer. Dance is much more than that. Dance is the hidden language of our soul. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but dancing is worth millions of pictures. We can express our feelings and all the things we have gone through in our life through dance. Dance is music made visible. We dance because there's no greater feeling in the world than moving a piece of music and letting the rest of the world disappear. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. So on this occasion of Children's Day in the Valley, our friends are here to dazzle us with their fantabulous dance moves. Get ready for your minds to be blown away. Let's give it up for our superstars.
Chakarakachichacho chakaloram gando wando lakarakatam akko takko idigidigidigo idipai chikichakacho giligilimal sulusulumal makanaka hukubukure tukubukure chakalaka bikko chikko silisiligo bagradum jagradum chikichakacho.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। सापा धारे गारे गामा पासा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
रट रट के क्यों टैंकर फुल, आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल, ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे, हो जा बिंदास बोल रे, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है, ओ मैं भी तू भी, हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम।
ऐसी रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों, सोचो तो सोचो ना, प्यार से चुन के इन रंगों को किसी ने सजाया, ये संसार है जो इतनी सुंदर है अपनी दुनिया, ऊपर वाला क्या कोई कलाकार है। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
It was a great show. Hope everyone enjoyed it. And as a part of our Diwali celebrations, children participated in many competitions. So I think everyone is waiting for the results, right? So now we are going to present. Abhinav sir, please.
Lord Krishna's warrior wife. Narakasura, who did by Satyabhama. Victoria, celebrating Diwali. Happy Diwali to all.
Hi friends, I am little Jawaharlal Nehru. Today I am wishing you very happy Children's Day.
Namaste to all. Diwali is a festival of lights. We burst crackers on Diwali and we eat sweets on Diwali.
और अपनों के साथ दुनिया में बिखरा मस्ती और प्यार, पटाखों की लड़ियां फूटे मत वाली गोकुल धाम की।
Hi friends, myself Anishka from grade 3, Parmita Heritage CBSE School. Come let's celebrate Diwali by designing the Rangoli.
उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली।
मोक्ष भी में, प्रकाश में, अंधकार भी में, मार्ग में, लक्ष्य भी में, मोह में, त्याग भी में, कर भी में, ब्रह्मांड भी में, अंत भी में, आरंभ में, गौरी में, काली में, महाकाली में। ఓరి దురహంకార దుర్విదగ్ధ రాక్షసాదువ నారీజన ఉదయ శాపాగ్నికీలను నిన్ను దహించి వేసే కాలమాసన్నమైనది. పతివ్రతల కోపానికి శాపానికి నువ్వు బలికాక తప్పదు. బ్రహ్మ విష్ణు మహేశ్వరులు ఎందరు వచ్చినా నిన్ను రక్షింపబోరు.
ఓరి నరకాసుర, దుష్టుడా, దురహంకార, రాక్షసాధమ, నారీ జనశక్తి నిన్ను దహించి వేసే సమయం ఆసన్నమైంది. స్త్రీ అబల కాదు, సబల, ధైర్యం, శైర్యం మూర్తి భవించిన ఒక గొప్ప శక్తే స్త్రీ.
నరకాసుర, నీవు 16,000 మంది పుణ్య స్త్రీలను బంధించి వారిని అనుక్షణం హింసించావు. నీవు అమాయకమైన వందల మంది ప్రజలను కష్టపెట్టి వారిని హింసకు గురి చేశావు. నీవు అందరూ దేవునిలా భావించే వాసుదేవ శ్రీకృష్ణునిపై నీ అస్త్రాన్ని వాడావు. నీవు చేసిన ఈ దుష్ట ఆకృత్యాలను నేను ఇంకా సహించబోను నరకాసురా.
ఏమేమి కళాహాసనుండ చదిక ఏ తెంచి ఇట్లాడెనా,
యా మాటలు చెవియొగ్గి తావినియనా యా గోపికా వల్లభుండేమే మాడను రుక్మిణి సఖియు నీ వింకెదకి దాచెదవు నీ మొహమాటాలు మాని నిరజాముఖి నిక్కం బెరింగింపవే.
He dedicated his life to provide quality education. He is determined, industrious, and is a philanthropist.
He is an innovator, a master, a role model to the society who believes that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the
He
world.
is none other than our Honorable Chairman, Sir E. Prasad Rao Garu. Sir, I welcome you to say a few valuable words.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Respected Rashmita Madam, Anukar Rao, Prasad, Prasanna Madam, Rakesh, Ashu the Principal, Balaji, Nikila, all the dear teachers, parents, Prasad, and my dear children. So in the last, I think 45 minutes or so, I felt as though I'm watching a program from the school premises. It gives me an idea that, you know, if you are really intelligent enough, if you're smart, if you can really, you know, cater to any challenge, then you can be successful in life. Whether COVID or no COVID, tomorrow something else. In this world, all those things are going to happen. But what's more important is how you respond. How you respond to a challenge. The way you respond timely and appropriately or correctly. So today when I see all of you, the smaller kids, you know, dancing and then, you know, comparing and then winning prizes, and even the teachers are doing a play, you know, and the dances, you know, how much of thinking must have gone into it. The principal, the teachers, the vice principal, the coordinator, parents, and everyone. This is nothing but a beautiful family coming together for the general good of boys and girls. You know, you are able to showcase your talents. You have seen and experienced how in the last 5 months or so, you can learn away from school. You can learn anywhere. You can learn on your own with little support. And you can learn outside the textbook. I think CBSE kids have really shown, demonstrated that learning can be done beyond the school. Very important. I still remember last year when we all did a project that you read the textbooks at home. Do you all remember that? Do you all remember that? You read the textbooks at home, then you understood, then you have written the points in 3 or 4 columns. What you have understood, the questions that you have, the doubts that you have, maybe the vocabulary, terminology, or other points, and what you want clarification. So you read on your own, understood on your own, came to the class and discussed with your friends, and the teachers supported you. All of you have done very well. That was very proactive learning style that you exhibited. Following which, then the COVID came. So when almost all the schools were struggling with what to do, how to do, you know, then Paramita CBSE school, like Paramita, all group of schools, IRACE, Explorica, PHS, PLF, PRS, and everyone, all the schools, IIT, we came out with a beautiful solution. Education at home without any disturbance. And so far, what has been done is really amazing. All the parents, all the teachers, all the directors and principals, really coordinators, vice principals, all of them. And most importantly, all the children, you deserve a lot of appreciation. That's one thing. So children, remember only one thing. Whenever you are there somewhere, don't think that learning will happen only from the textbook. Also, you have to think learning will happen now, is happening now, 10 minutes ago, 10 minutes later. Learning happens when you talk to your father. Learning happens when you talk to your mother. Learning happens when somebody is cross with you, wrong with you. Somebody is really, doing something bad to you. There also you learn a lot of things. Children, learning is not only from the textbook or writing the exams, which many schools do. Writing small test, getting 9 by 10, anyone can do. Any school across the country can do. But at the school level, when you know yourself, what you're doing, how you're thinking, how you're acting, how you're doing your work, how you're doing your studies, how you're talking to the people, how you're actually exhibiting patience when somebody is really trying to test you, trouble you, how you are very truthful. Because today you're celebrating not one occasion, 2 occasions. One is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, who really loved the kids. And not only he, I don't think there is anyone in the world who doesn't love kids. Children are lovely. Children are beautiful. Children are pure. Children are symbol of love. That's number one. And number two, tomorrow Diwali festival, all of you, including the teachers, have portrayed the significance of Diwali with Rama, Sita, Lakshmana's return to Ayodhya, and of course, killing of Narakasura by Satyabhama. All the stories are there. But we celebrate Diwali with lot of enthusiasm. There is a darkness. Diwali comes on the day of darkness, where Diwali, where everywhere there is. So what is the message for all of us? The message for all of us is that there is some darkness inside me, inside everyone. What is the darkness? That anger, having no knowledge, or limited knowledge is darkness. Not using knowledge is darkness. Using knowledge in a wrong way is darkness. Like telling lies is darkness. Not only that we should become Satyabhama and kill Narakasura, not like that. They did at that time, and they asked us to remember that we are all human beings, we can do certain things. So you have to understand that there is darkness inside us. We have to fill our inside with lot of light. How can you fill? You can fill it with lot of knowledge, lot of reading, lot of understanding about yourself, your family, your community, the world, the nature, God, and everything. Then you can definitely do things which are actually, explained by Dharma, Satya, Nyaya, whatever you call it. So as CBSE children celebrate both the days today, and I feel the program today is better than the other day. There was a technical problem. And I think I should also appreciate Abhinav for coming back to coming back to the program with clarity. That's a very important thing. So CBSE children, even I have really, thank you. I really the way some of you have compared are really very good. There's no fear whatsoever. There's no phobia whatsoever, and there's a flair. There's a flair to express, to communicate, to deliver. That is a very important thing. So, dear children, you have got a lovely director, Rashmita Madam, excellent principal, who is very dynamic always. And of course, your Balaji sir, Prasad sir, and Nikhila Madam, and all the teachers and lovely parents. All of you should be always very confident. Trust yourself. be happy always. When you fail sometime, today some people have won competition. Let us not worry. Let us not worry that we have lost. See, imagine whether you have taken part properly or not. In this world, what counts more is not winning or losing. What counts more is how much of effort you have made, how much of work you have done, how much of contribution to that project you have done. That is more important than winning or losing. Because sometimes I'll tell you, there is only one post, 10 people are applying for one post, only one will get. But what happens is that the person who gets one more extra will get that seat, but it doesn't mean that all of them have not worked. So what is more important is that you should be that person who gets that 1 mark extra to get that only one post, whatever it is. That is how the life has to go. So take all things positively, keep smiling, and bring some smile in the house to a father, to a mother, and at the same time also try to help people around you. Those who need something, you need to help them, talk to them, listen to them, be compassionate, be loving, and be caring. So when we do all the things, I will tell you, I'll promise that God will help you. God will help those who really help themselves and all the people around them. That is what they should be, the symbol of CBSE children of Paramita Heritage School. And I wish and pray that you will continue to grow happily, handsomely, and learn something about great leaders like Pandit Nehru today. And you need to know something about Lord Krishna, Bhagavan Krishna, and Ram also. How much of they have shown to the world how a man should live, how a woman should live like Sita, how Hanuman can live like a servant to Ram, and how a brother can live like Lakshmana. How a brother should be there. This is a very important thing. Ramayana means not only pray something, you need to know the qualities of a person. When you know about him or about Sita, what kind of a lady, such a pure lady. That's more important thing. Once you have all these things, and I think divine protection will come. And when the divine protection is there, no COVID can do anything. Nothing can do anything. COVID will run away. All will run away. You all will be safe, journeying beautifully. So I would like to wish all the parents, all the children, all the directors, principals, and all the staff of CBSE Heritage School a very, very happy Diwali and happy Children's Day. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Teachers are a special blessing from God. They are the ones who instill confidence in young men and encourage them to dream.
Amid the corona pandemic, our teachers are facing fellow job challenges. In spite of difficulties, they all are putting their efforts to give us the best.
Let's see how our incredible teachers are celebrating their Diwali festival.
आज खुश बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली
The cornerstone of every occasion is a message by an inspiring,
dynamic, punctual, and energetic person.
She's a woman of an experience of 30 years.
So we gladly welcome her.
A very good afternoon, everyone. So it's my pleasure to address such an esteemed gathering. So I would once again take this privilege to welcome Sai Prasad Rao sir, our head of the family, under whose patronage today we are organizing this small little function. Though virtually we may be physically, but mentally and emotionally we are all connected to you, sir. Prasanna ma'am, Rashmita ma'am, Anuka sir, Vyom Prasad sir, Rakesh sir, and my dear teachers, students and parents. It is a privilege today to have you all see the small little children performing so well. The feelings of the students, sir, madam, has come from their heart. The effort have been the guiding factor, the teachers, the motivating factor, the coordinator, and of course, a little bit of inspiration from me and Rashmita ma'am. So, sir, with you being our head, we will just promise you we will never fumble in all our efforts. Just as you mentioned, the challenges are a thing to take. And when we have you, we will all fare in all the challenges very well. COVID or no COVID, the learning for the children of Paramita is also always going to happen. The learning academically and non-academically. So when they're in the class, they're enjoying their classrooms, they're enjoying their classroom activities, and when they're celebrating their parties, they're enjoying their parties too. So sir, today I also want to mention to you that they all had a virtual Diwali party also, in which they had dances, they had games, they played damsharats. So the only reason behind is to make them feel connected to each other. Not a one day has gone that we do not feel that not being in the school premises is made us far away. So each day, each moment, we are getting close. Students, this is why it is called Paramita Heritage School. The name itself, heritage, suggests a big mark. So we are very much actually linked to our Indian culture. As of today, we celebrate Diwali and, dear children, your day, Children's Day. Over the time, we will keep celebrating these days. We will keep growing. We will keep progressing. And what I want you to take with you is the memories for years to come. Maybe after years, when you are not here, you have gone to any positions, you still remember, oh, that was the day we celebrated our days in this way. That was my friend. Oh, that was our madam. Oh, that was our sir, who was always there in all their endeavors. And I'm so glad that this family is what we can all call ours. So once again, I will wish you all, my dear students, teachers, parents, and respected directors and our sir, with folded hands, a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali. May this Diwali bring all the blessings and fade away all the darkness from our lives. There might be times where we feel bad, we feel, imbalanced, but today We pledge that we'll be able to come about of this, and may your all paths are enlightened and you progress. Thank you so much for being here, for being a part of Paramita family and the celebration. Thank you, sir, from depth of our hearts. Thank you, Madam, Prasanna Madam, Rashmita Madam, Anuka, sir, from the depth of our hearts. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful message. Diwali is a festival of light that spiritually symbolizes the victory of lightness over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance.
A leader is one who lights the path to impossible and takes who follow to great heights.
It is an injustice to proceed with our event without calling upon the wings of our flight, pillar of our strength, and a constant source of motivation.
Let us now welcome the woman who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for her wisdom and her knowledge, our Honorable Director, Ma'am Rashmita.
So, respected Chairman Sir, Prasanna Madam, Anukar Sir, Prasad VM, Rakesh Sir, Ashuji, who is the principal of Paramita Heritage School, Balaji Garu, Nikhila Nagaravi Prasad, all the teachers, students, and dear parents. I wish all of you a very happy Diwali and all the children a very happy Children's Day. So, first of all, let me thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to be interacting with you on this special occasion. So, today we are celebrating two very important days. Diwali is widely celebrated throughout the country. It's a festival that all people in India look forward to. And the other most important occasion that we are celebrating today is Children's Day. And because especially we, as Chairman Sir was also saying, there's nobody in this world who doesn't like children. Because of the most important trait that they always have in them is that innocence. So this Children's Day being celebrated today, and as you know, Sir has given a very beautiful message to all the children, and he has very clearly, mentioned and stated why it's very important for all of us, whether children or adults, to understand what our abilities are and keep moving towards progressing towards what we want to really achieve, and put all our efforts are more important rather than winning or losing. Contribution is more important. So I think I on this occasion I would like to appreciate all the students who have taken part in today's virtual assembly program. I understand that a lot of effort has gone into this. The idea of having this virtual assembly to celebrate these two important occasions, and also to have a lot of competitions on fancy dress and role play. I was very, very happy to see the participants and those receiving their certificates, their certificate of appreciation and their prizes. And also Ashu Madam was also telling me that the entire team has been working for a very long time on conducting these competitions and practicing for this virtual assembly. A lot of efforts actually. In a physical setup, it's easier to coordinate, but in a virtual assembly, when all of us are in different places, to be communicating online and then coordinating is not an easy job. And above all, the technology also has to cooperate. In spite of that, I think with little hitches in technical hitches, even then I think the kids, especially of that age group, first standard, second standard, and third standard, I think they have done an amazing job, and I think all the credit goes to the students and also the teachers who have really supported the children, guided the children, and Ashuji and the coordinators who have conceived this idea. So what I would like to only tell all of you is that Children's Day, though we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th, but I think because since we are into school education and we live with students the whole day, now in this pandemic, of course we don't, but we virtually see you. Otherwise, out of all the 24 hours that we have, 9 to 10 hours we spend with children. In fact, when today's virtual assembly program, as we get to see so many teachers and students, their faces, and it's so overwhelming, and it's so especially I had a very big smile on my face looking at all of you today, looking at all the children, because it reminds us of how beautifully we were spending time in the school physically. And I was all very happy to see the teachers video also, with all the lady staff holding the diyas. Of course, I was a spoiled sport because I was not holding a diya, but I think Abhinav made it look a little colorful with all those diyas. Thank you for that, Abhinav. And so it's very good to be seeing all of you today. And I heartfully wish that each and every child should feel that each and every day is yours. And as Chairman Sir has rightly put forward, that we have to understand what our true potential is, and then we have to start working towards it. There is no end for what we really want to achieve. So every day is a day to look forward to understand, to reflect, and to see where we can actually improve. And like he said that the darkness has to go away, and we have to enlighten our minds, our dreams, and what we really want to achieve, and come out from the darkness of being greedy or selfish or jealous, and look within ourselves and try to really reflect upon and understand how we can really progress and become a better person each day, and how we can really aim towards contributing better towards the people around us and to the society. So once again, I would really like to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity, and I wish you all a very happy Diwali and also a very happy Children's Day. Thank you very much.
Diwali is a festival of lights, the victory of good over evil and the lights over darkness. It is a festival of 5 days, begins with Dhanteras, followed by Naraka Chaturdashi, Lakshmi Puja, Govardhana Puja, and ends with Bhai Dooj. Puja Thali is one of the pathways to worship the divine in the Hindu mythology. It is believed that the arrangements of a components in Thali has spiritual significance. Here comes Archana ma'am to explain the different rituals followed on the auspicious festival of Diwali.
नमस्कार, मैं अर्चना सिंह आप सभी को पारमिता फैमिली की तरफ से दीपावली की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं दे रही हूँ। आज मैं आपसे दीपावली की कुछ पूजन सामग्री को साझा करना चाहती हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं आपको चौकी, जिस पे हम भगवान को स्थापित करते हैं, कलश में गंगा जल है, आम के पत्ते हैं, आम पत्र, उसके ऊपर नारियल में मूली बांधे हैं, भगवान के वस्त्र, लाल रंग की लक्ष्मी देवी के वस्त्र और पीले रंग के गणेश जी के वस्त्र, कुछ पुष्प हैं लाल और पीले। लाल रंग माँ लक्ष्मी को बहुत पसंद है। भोग के लिए फल, लड्डू और पंचमेवा है। मिट्टी के दीपक, कुछ नकद रुपए, आम और पान के पत्ते, सुपारी, चांदी का सिक्का, मूली, अक्षत, हल्दी और मूली, सिंदूर, धूप, दीपक, कौड़ी, पैसा और घंटी। इन सभी पूजन सामग्री के साथ हम दीपावली को बहुत ही हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाते हैं। अंत में मैं आप सभी को अपने पूरी पारमिता फैमिली की तरफ से सबको दीपावली की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ।
Hey Adiba, do you remember? Our teacher told that there is some special surprise for us today.
Yes, Shrestha, I remembered it. I'm very curious to know about it.
I think all of our friends are also eagerly waiting for this special surprise. Isn't it, guys?
Then why delay? Let us see the special surprise.
Friends, I think all of you are ready to watch it. I request Abhinav sir to present the video.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदें, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर। जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया, और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की लहर है, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। देखो रातों के सीने पे ये तो झिलमिल की सिलों से उगे हैं, ये तो अंबिया की खुशबू है बागों से बह चले, जैसे कांच पे चूड़ी के टुकड़े, जैसे खिले खिले फूलों के मुखड़े, जैसे बंसी कोई बजाए पेड़ों के तले। ये तो झोंके हैं पवन के।
No event in Paramita is successful without the support of the teachers. So here is Dipti ma'am to thank all the teachers and each and everyone associated in making this virtual assembly a grand success. So let's welcome.
Good afternoon all. I deem it a great honor and privilege in conveying my vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our beloved Chairman Sir, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu for his blessings and kind support. A very special thanks to our motherly Madam HR Director, Madam Prasuna, and a special thanks to our dynamic directors, Madam Rashmita, Sir Rakesh Rao, and also Anukul Sir, for encouraging us for in every moment. I also thank the Principal of Paramita Heritage Schools, Madam Ashu Vadwa, for her assistance. I also thank Vice Principal, Mr. Khul Balaji Sir Garu, and coordinators, Mr. Nagvar Prasad Sir and Madam Nikhila. I also express my heartfelt thanks to the curriculum team for their valuable contribution. A special thanks to Mr. Abhinav, Mr. Babu Rao Sir, and Mr. Rohit for the technical support. Our blessings and thanks to our little masters, without whom this program would not be adorable. Thank you all the students and all the parents for making our program a grand success. Once again, I thank you all for your cooperation in making this event a grand success. Wishing you a happy Children's Day and happy Diwali in advance. Thank you.
Wow! Wow! I enjoyed all the programs. I hope you too. Now I request everyone to stand up and pay respect to the national anthem. Thank you.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। बधाई हो आपको दिवाली की बधाई हो।